No, take it. Hello.
Hello?
Hey, this is Michael calling you from Medicare Health Center. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm also good. Thanks for asking. I do believe you have a Medicare Part A and B, right, sir?
Yes. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, hello. Can I speak with Mr. Robert Lino?
This is he.
How are you doing today, sir?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. And this is just only a follow-up call to inform you that you are now qualified to receive your additional Medicare benefits at no cost, and for the Part B premium money back up to $148 each month. You have Medicare, you have the Part A and Part B, right?
Yes.
Okay. I believe, sir, you already received the new card, also the red, white, and blue, or the blue, white, and red, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you please take a look for the hospital Part A and medical Part B, the coverage date, the month, day, and year printed on your Medicare card? And I will stay on the line. Take your time, okay?
So you want me to get my red, white, and blue card?
Yes, sir, the Medicare card, the red, white, and blue.
Okay. It'll take a few moments. You move a bit slow when you're 79 years old.
Okay. Okay, sir, take your time.
Okay, so it's upstairs, so I'm climbing up the stairs.
Okay, be careful.
Bleh, bleh. Excuse me, that happens every time I smoke ganja. Just another set of stairs. Okay, let me dig in the drawer here. So digging in the drawer.
Okay.
Okay, so I have the card.
Okay.
Let me get my reading glasses on. So you wanted the number?
Yes, sir, can you please?
So the number is 1, E as in echo, G as in golf, 4, T as in tango, E as in echo, 5, M as in Mike, K as in kilo, 7, 2.
What is the name printed exactly on your Medicare card?
It says Robert O. Grinnell.
And do you see hospital Part A and medical Part B on your Medicare card?
Yes.
What is the date on it?
01/01/2007.
How about for the Part B?
01/01/2007.
Okay. But, do you have another card aside from that, sir?
Oh, let me see if I have another card. It'll just take a few moments. If I have another card, it's going to be downstairs. So I'll start heading back downstairs now. Bleh, bleh. Excuse me, that happens every time I smoke Hindu Kush. Just another set of stairs. Okay, let me dig in this other drawer. Okay, I have the number. Are you ready to copy?
Okay.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Michael with American Benefits. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I am doing wonderful. Thanks for asking. This call is about your new final expense insurance plan. So how old are you?
I'm 79.
Okay, great. Kindly bear with me on the line. Let me bring supervisor to get you free codes, okay?
Okay.
Good afternoon. This is Michael Vispin. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you? Hello? Hello?